So good morning guys. Today in this video I will be showing you how to solve the problem of a slow internet in your Kali Linux. So this is not a problem actually, it is due to the server load. As you know that many people are using Kali Linux, so the server get slow down. So open your web browser and type later Linux index and click the first site. So here you can see that this is the index of Linux. So after that you have to remove these images and current and press slash there and hit enter. So you will see the index of Kali. So then you have to copy this link, and after that's happened, open your terminal and type leafpad etc slash etc slash apt slash sources.list, and after that happened this file will open that there is name sources.list. Then you have to copy this link and paste it here. Okay, after pressing it, then you have to save this file and close it. Then you have to type apt-get update to update your sources.list. So you can see that we have updated our device, and now your problem should get solved. And if you are getting a problem of unable to locate package, then you have to search for the Kali repositories here. Then the procedure will be same. You have to copy this code and you have to open the file again, and you have to paste it here. And if there is something written here, then you have to delete all the things here and then paste the line. Then you have to again go to this site and copy this source repositories and then paste that here. Then you have to save the file and type apt update. Then your problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching.